Hey everyone, welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. Take a deep breath with me first. In and out. Okay, if you can hear my voice right now, you're in the right place.
Oh, yes. Welcome, welcome. I'm smiling already, even before we start, because today's topic is something we all need and all struggle with a little.
Exactly. Today we're talking about asking for help in English, politely. Not perfect English, not fancy English, just real, polite, human English.
And let me guess. You understand English, but when you need help, your mind goes blank?
Yes, your heart beats faster, your brain starts shouting, what if I sound rude? What if I make a mistake? What if they don't understand me?
And then you do the worst thing. You say nothing, you smile, you struggle alone. Oh, been there.
Same here. And listen, if that's you, you're not weak, you're human. And today we'll make this easier, step by step.
Harry, can I say something honest?
Always.
When I was learning another language, I hated asking for help. I felt like I was bothering people.
That feeling is very common. But here's a little secret.
Ooh, I like secrets. Go on.
Most people actually like helping. If you ask politely, your tone matters more than your grammar.
Ah, tone over grammar. I love that. That already makes me feel calmer.
Okay, let's start very simple. When we ask for help politely in English, we usually do three things. We show respect, we sound soft, and we give the other person a choice.
A choice. Like not forcing them.
Exactly. Instead of sounding like a command, we sound like a request.
All right, let's do real life. I'm in a cafe, it's noisy, I don't understand the menu, my hands are already sweating.
I can see that scene clearly.
What do I say? I don't want to sound rude.
Okay, listen carefully. Very simple sentence. Excuse me, could you help me please? Pause. Smile. That's it.
Oh, that sounds so gentle, not scary at all.
Yes, you don't need long sentences. Politeness comes from how you ask.
Can we do another cafe one? Like, I don't understand what the waiter said.
Sure. You can say, sorry, could you say that again, please?
Sorry already makes it softer.
Exactly. Sorry is not weakness. Sorry is politeness.
Okay, let's go shopping now. I'm in a store, I'm looking for a jacket, I'm lost.
Classic situation. You can say, excuse me, could you help me find this size? Or, sorry, I'm looking for a jacket. Could you help me?
You notice something? You always say, could you?
Good catch. Could you is magic. It sounds polite, friendly, and safe for beginners.
What about phone calls? Oh, phone calls are scary.
Yes, no face, no smile, only voice.
Exactly, my worst nightmare.
Okay, simple phone example. Hello, could you please help me with this problem? Pause. Slow. Breathe.
Slow English feels more confident, right?
Yes, fast English is not confident English. Clear English is confident English.
What about work? Office English feels very serious.
True, but polite English works everywhere. You can say, could you please explain this to me? Or, I'm not sure I understand. Could you help me, please?
Oh, I love I'm not sure. It sounds honest.
Honest and human, and people respect honesty.
Let's talk about fear for a moment. Why do learners feel so scared to ask for help?
Because they think asking for help means they're bad at English.
But that's not true, right?
Not at all. Asking for help means you want to learn. That's strength.
Okay, listeners, let's make this interactive.
Yes, if you're listening right now, don't just listen. Speak with us. Say this aloud with me. Excuse me, could you help me, please? Pause. Say it again.
One more time, slowly.
Great. Now imagine this situation. You didn't understand directions. Someone explained, but you're still confused. What would you say?
Think. You can say, sorry, I'm a little confused. Could you explain again, please?
Perfect. That sentence alone can save you from so many awkward moments.
Vocabulary time? But please keep it friendly.
Always. Let's do some helpful words for asking politely.
Okay, listeners, repeat after us if you can.
Excuse me. Excuse me? Could you help me?
Please. Please speak slowly.
Could you repeat that?
Sorry. Sorry, I didn't understand.
Explain. Could you explain this to me?
Repeat. Could you repeat that, please?
Help. Can you help me for a moment?
Understand. I don't understand this part.
Slowly. Could you speak slowly, please?
Sure. Because when people help you, they often say, sure.
Now let's repeat some of them naturally.
Harry, excuse me, could you help me with this episode?
Sure. See? Easy.
Here's a small story. One time, I was traveling. I was lost. Very lost.
Oh no.
I wanted to ask for help, but I was scared. Then I said just one sentence. Excuse me, could you help me, please? And guess what?
They helped you?
Yes, with a smile. No judgment, no laughing, just kindness.
That's what usually happens. Our fear is louder than reality.
Let's do one more exercise.
Okay.
Listeners, imagine this. You're in class. You don't understand homework. What do you say?
You can say, "Sorry, I didn't understand the homework. Could you explain it again, please?"
Say it once, then again.
Before we finish, remember this. You don't need perfect English to ask politely. You need a calm voice, a kind word, and confidence in yourself.
And confidence comes from practice, even small practice, even one sentence.
All right, friends, we're coming to the end. If this episode helped you even a little,
Please like the video
subscribe to 24/7 Talk English.
and comment below, what sentence do you use when you ask for help?
We're proud of you for learning. We're proud of you for trying.
And remember, it's okay to ask for help.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye, take care, and keep speaking.